what we're doing so far. So we configure router A and router B. Now, how do we check that the work that we've done is working? Okay, let's change to router A by bringing that window to the front. We click on it, and what we want to do is we want to ping from router A. We want to ping the router B. So we need to go one level out. We're going to exit, and now we're going to ping 192. IP. I'm sorry, that would be ping 192.168.1.2. And you notice that it was successful. And now what we want to do is we're going to go to router B, and we're going to configure telnet. So we select the window for router B to bring it to the front. We press enter a couple times. We're going to configure terminal. So we're going to issue the command line bty 0 space 4. Then in order to have the router ask for a name and password, we have to say login local. Okay, we need to exit the config line, and now we're going to configure on router B a username and a password. So username Banbury and password CCNA. Now this is the telnet password, which is different from the previous config password. And now we're going to enable secret, and that's going to be the password Cisco. And now we're going to set the static routes on router B. So I press enter to go down one line, and we're going to type IP route 172.16.0.0 with a mask of 255.255.0.0. And how do we get there? We get there via 192.168.1.1. Press enter. The next route is IP route 172.20.0.0 space with a mask of 255.255.0.0, and we get there also through 192.168.1.1. Okay, so how do we test this? Okay, so we have to go to router A. We click on router A, and we're going to issue the command show IP route. and we see that we have configured 172.16.00, 172.20.00, which is the loopback 0 and 1, and we configured the serial connections using 172.31.00 and 172.30, with 192.168.1 is subnetted. Now let's ping router B. Ping 172.30.1.1. Press enter. You can see that was successful. And let's try the other IP number. So ping 172.31.1.1. Press enter. Again, that was successful. Now let's telnet. We're going to telnet to router B using the serial connection. So we issue the command telnet and the IP number 172.30.1.1. Okay. So we connected, but it's asking us for username. If you remember, the username on router B was Banbury, and the password, we type it in, and you see that we connected to router B. So let's connect to router B here using hyperterminal, and let's test from router B to connect to router A. So we're going to ping 172.16. Okay, it helps to type the correct numbers. 172.16.1.1. Okay, so we are at the wrong level, and we need to exit and go down level and issue the command again. So we're going to ping 172.16.1.1, and you see that's successful. And we're going to ping the other IP number, and that was 172.20.1.1, and that was successful. So that concludes lab number 1. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Emilio Emilian, and I invite you to join our Cisco CCENT certification class. Thank you.